Introducing Porter Cable's new 20-volt max lithium-ion Jigsaw PCC 650B, part of the new growing linked system of high-performance tools. This tool delivers a new dust blower to aid in clearing debris and maintaining visibility of cut. A variable speed trigger 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, 3/4 inch stroke, and 3 orbital settings deliver the cut quality across a variety of materials demanded by the tradesman. This tool also features a shoe that bevels 0 to 45 degrees for angled cuts and comfortable over-molded grips to reduce vibration and fatigue while working. 20-volt Max Compact and Max Pack lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the tool. Both the Compact and the Max Pack batteries deliver the power and runtime needed for the job. The 20-volt Max Jigsaw combines cut quality, ease of use, and value demanded on the job site. As part of the new line of Porter Cable 20-volt Max linked system tools, it delivers the power you need at the price you want. Get linked with the power and performance of 20-volt Max.
These are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB jigsaws. The JS470E has a top handle, and the JS470EB has a barrel grip for even better control. These tools provide power, durability, and precision for any woodworking professional. A 7-amp motor helps you power through wood, aluminum, even mild steel. The no-load SPM ranges from 500 up to 3100 and has up to 60 Hertz. Constant response circuitry ensures that the desired speed is maintained when under load, so you never have to worry about inconsistencies in performance or precision. Simply adjust between 4 different orbital action settings to find the right blade stroke for both smooth and aggressive cuts. You can also bevel up to 45 degrees. Both jigsaws features a toolless blade ejection lever, so you don't have to touch a hot blade when it's time to change, and they're both equipped with a non-marring plastic overshoe that protects finer surfaces. An anti-splinter insert fits either into the overshoe or directly into the foot plate. The ambidextrous lock-on allows you for long and steady cuts without compromising comfort. Internal precision control within the plunge system is designed to keep vibration low and enhance accuracy for extremely smooth operation. So these are the Bosch JS470E and JS470EB top handle and barrel grip jigsaw. For more information on these tools, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch woodworking tools.
Introducing the 18-volt LXT lithium-ion brushless cordless jigsaw. It has a variable 6-speed control dial and delivers up to 3,500 strokes per minute for fast and efficient cutting. The no-load speed reduction feature automatically reduces blade speed before it comes in contact with the workpiece for more accurate cutting starts. Convenience features include a large 2-finger trigger switch, a toolless blade change, built-in dual LED lights, and a heavy-gauge aluminum base. It has a compact and ergonomic design at 10.5 inches long and weighs only 5.8 pounds with battery. And with the efficient Makita brushless motor, you get longer runtime, more power and speed, and longer tool life. The XV-J02 is compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, which have the fastest charge time in their categories. This tool is equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.
This is Hitachi's 18-volt lithium-ion jigsaw, model CJ18 DGL P4. Battery and charger sold separately. Hitachi sells this as a tool body only, so that it becomes even more affordable. If you already own a Hitachi tool or kit that comes with an 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type battery and charger, then you can easily add this to your Hitachi platform and get more bang for your buck. This cordless jigsaw is ideal for cutting shapes in various wood materials, cutting metals like mild steel, aluminum, and copper, cutting synthetic resin materials, as well as cutting stainless steel sheets. With a 45-degree cutting angle capacity, you can adjust the base plate to meet the application for more versatility. The tool is compatible with all Hitachi 18-volt lithium-ion slide-type batteries for fade-free power, less weight, and 3 times the total battery life of traditional maghead batteries. The 18-volt variable speed motor delivers up to 2,400 strokes per minute for plenty of power on pretty much any application. It delivers a 1-inch stroke length and features a 3-mode orbital action, along with a straight cut setting to increase cutting efficiency through various materials. Its toolless blade changing system allows the user to quickly and easily change the blades. This cordless jigsaw accepts both T and U shank blades for added convenience and flexibility. A bright LED light is incorporated for visibility in dark or enclosed workspaces. Being only 4 pounds without a battery installed, it is lightweight to prevent user fatigue and make maneuvering the tool much easier. The soft elastomer compound that covers the jigsaw handle absorbs vibration, making it easier on the arm, wrist, and hand. This elastomer coating also prevents slippage and provides maximum control over the tool while cutting. On-tool blade storage that holds up to 6 blades keeps accessories close at hand when you need them. It comes with Hitachi's lifetime lithium-ion tool warranty, along with several accessories including 2 wood cutting blades, a metal cutting blade, and a hex bar wrench.
Remember when?
I've got Hitachi's variable speed jigsaw, the CJ90 VST. This jigsaw is ideal for cutting shapes in various wood materials, cutting metals like mild steel, aluminum and copper, cutting synthetic resin materials, cutting decorative sheets and thin construction materials, as well as cutting stainless steel sheets. This variable speed jigsaw is lightweight and built for comfort, yet delivers an impressive cut capacity in wood and metal. The max cutting capacity for wood is 3.5 inches, and the max cutting capacity for steel is 15/16 of an inch. It is equipped with a 5.5 amp motor that can deliver up to 3,000 strokes per minute, for plenty of power on pretty much any application. It delivers a 3/4 inch stroke length and features a 4-stage orbital action to increase cutting efficiency through various materials. The trigger can be locked on to prevent finger fatigue during extended use. To achieve the desired speed, you just adjust the variable speed dial at the front of the jigsaw. Its toolless blade changing system allows the user to quickly and easily change blades. An industrial strength clamp provides an extra secure lock on the blade, keeping it from loosening or popping out during use. The cast aluminum nickel-plated base plate offers solid support during cutting and resists scratching the work surface during use. It can also be beveled, which you can adjust using the included hex wrenches. Another convenient feature on the CJ90 VST is the powerful dust blower that pushes sawdust and chips away from the cutting pad for a cleaner, more visible work surface. Being only 4.9 pounds, it is one of the lightest in its class to prevent user fatigue and make maneuvering the tool much easier. The soft elastomer compound that covers the jigsaw handle absorbs vibration, making it easier on the arm, wrist, and hand. This elastomer coating also prevents slippage and provides maximum control over the tool while cutting. The curved D-shaped handle conforms to a secure grip without being bulky and is comfortable when held in many different positions. It comes with Hitachi's 5-year tool warranty, along with several accessories, including a number 41 jigsaw blade and an Allen wrench.